Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. Adilakshmi, Professor of Mathematics from Dr. RVR NRI Institute of Technology, deemed to be University. Today, I am going to teach you about mathematical AI tools solving mathematics with artificial intelligence. So, before we begin, let me ask you a small question. How many of you get nervous when you hear the word mathematics? Be honest. I know many of you do. Some students say mathematics is very difficult. Some students say mathematics means tension. Some students say mathematics exam means one sleepless night. And few students even believe that mathematics means compulsory fail. Sometimes just seeing a mathematical equations makes students feel like mission impossible. But today I have a good news for you. Mathematics is not your enemy, it is your best friend. You just have not become friends yet. Think about it. Nobody is born knowing how to ride a bicycle. Nobody learns to drive a car in one day. Similarly, nobody becomes good at mathematics overnight. The problem is how we learn the mathematics. When we understand the concepts instead of memorizing the formulas, then mathematics becomes simple. Mathematics become logical. Mathematics becomes interesting. Mathematics becomes enjoyable. And finally, mathematics becomes fun. Today, thanks to artificial intelligence, learning mathematics has become easier than ever before. AI tools can solve problems, draw graphs, explain every step, and helps us understand concepts in just a few seconds. So, in this session, let us explore some amazing mathematical AI tools that can make learning mathematics smarter, faster, and much more enjoyable. Now, let's begin the session. Now I'm going to explain the data visualization concept, which we already discussed in the classroom in the first unit. The data visualization for the discrete data and for the continuous data, how to draw a pie chart, line chart, a 2D or 3D bar chart, and then the scatter plot. Here I'm going to show you the donut graph also, right? So for that, so you no need of required. I explained in the I told you in the class, no. So bring pencil, eraser, sharpener, different color types of colors like that, no. So here you won't require all those. Just sit in front of the laptop, right? Let me share my screen. All right. So open Excel sheet. Name some like graphs. Open it. And you require some data. I am taking here the discrete data, x values and frequencies f values, right? So x values, remember that always x value should be equally length, common interval length. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? Now the corresponding frequencies, your choice. You can take any of the one. 12, 15, minus 2, 3, 0, or okay. Then 7, minus 9, 11, 13, and then 4. Right? So this is the data. Neatly draw the table. Okay. Right, Nana? Now observe here, beside home button, insert button is there, right? Now see here, observe the cursor now. You can see the recommended graphs and the 2D graphs, bar graphs and the line graphs, pie graphs and the scatter plot. Different graphs are there, right, Nana? So for that, how to draw and what data you need to select is the most important point. Just like that, placing the cursor here, selecting the 2D graph means you will get empty picture only. No use with this picture, right? Simply delete it, right? For what data you are going to draw the graph? The given data. So select the data first and then go to the insert option and then go to the, suppose I am taking first the 2D graph, right? Just place the cursor, no need enter it, ma. Don't click it, just choose the graph whichever you like, right? So this is 2D pie view and then the pie of pie view and the pie of bar view and then 3D pie view, and this is the donut view. I think I explained this donut view and this 2D pie view I explained in the class, right? So your wish, you can draw any of the one. Let us go the 3D pie view. Okay. So now place the 3D pie view here and right below it is the 3D pie view or pie graph, whatever. Right? Now, suppose in the second step, I don't want to draw the entire data graph, right? I wanted to draw a particular data only. Now select data whichever you wanted to draw. I am taking up to 6, sorry. X values are 6, right? Now go to again insert, go to the line chart, right? So 3D column and this is the view. Observe the X values here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And what graph it is? 3D, right? So 3D bar graph. Right? Now select the full data, your wish. Insert and go to the scatter plot. So scatter plot usually we explain like this in the classroom, right? Select that, place here and below to that, right? It is what? Scatter plot. Right, Nana? Now select the data, suppose up to 8. Go to insert and then go to the line chart. So see here 2D line, 3D line, 2D area, 3D area, like that. Right, Nana? Now let us choose any of the one. Place here. Go here, line chart. Right? So this is the pie chart and this is the 3D bar view and scatter plot and this is the line chart, and choose the entire data. Let us go to the insert field and choose the donut view. See here, I think this donut view I explained in the class. Am I right? So donut view. Right, Nana? So this is how you should draw the graph. Now, I request all the students open your P&S notebook and let us go to the graphics data visualization concept, take the problems, give the data, enter the data into the Excel sheet and try to draw these different types of graph what you have in your syllabus, and not don't bound to your syllabus always, right? Try to learn beyond the syllabus always, right? To gain the more knowledge, right? Okay, thank you.